Bitcoin price prediction. ETF surge boosts BTC to $46,000 amid dollar fluctuations and inflation. Imvault equals Arslan Butt SRC equals https://simd co/authors/781/responsive images/image 2023 110 15 56 36 418 media library original 300 JPG class equals imfluid img circle loading equals auto. Arslan Butt last updated January 12, 2024 to ESD forum and read. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 150,680 SRC equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,705,037,1984 well 3 JPG alt equals width equals 1,280 height equals 720 SRC set equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,705,037,1984 well 3 JPG 1,280 https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,705,037,1984 well 3300x169 JPG 300 wa https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,705,037,1984 well 31924 576 JPG 1924 wa https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,705,037,1984 well 3768x432 JPG 768 wa https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,705,037,1984 well 3150x84 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1208x 100 wa 1208x. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies, Bitcoin has once again captured the financial world's attention. Amid a backdrop of significant market movements, Bitcoin is currently trading at $45,986, marking a decrease of 1.20% as of Friday. This recent fluctuation comes on the heels of landmark approvals for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs, which have catalyzed a surge in both trading activity and prices. Concurrently, the US dollar experienced a decline, although it recovered from its lowest points, largely influenced by higher-than-expected inflation rates. This dynamic interplay between Bitcoin's ETF-driven surge, the dollar's fluctuation, and prevailing inflation concerns paints a complex picture for Bitcoin's price trajectory. Bitcoin ETF milestones fuel market excitement and price increases. On Thursday afternoon, U.S.-listed Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs recorded substantial trading volume, reaching $4.6 billion in shares according to data from LSEG. This surge in activity was driven by investor interest following the recent approval of landmark ETF products by the U.S. securities regulator. The introduction of 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs, including notable entries like BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT-O and the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC-P, marked the beginning of a competitive race for market share in the cryptocurrency industry. Major players like Grayscale, BlackRock, and Fidelity showed significant activity in these ETF markets, as indicated by LSEG data. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC approval on Wednesday represented a pivotal moment for the crypto industry, bringing digital assets, often viewed as risky, under the scrutiny of broader acceptance as investment vehicles. This decision culminated from a decade-long engagement between the SEC and the crypto industry, with some executives maintaining a cautious stance on Bitcoin as a high-risk investment. Despite the regulatory green light, Vanguard announced it would not offer the new batch of spot Bitcoin ETFs to its brokerage clients. SEC Chair Gary Gensler, in a statement on Wednesday, underscored that the approvals do not equate to an endorsement of Bitcoin, describing it as a speculative, volatile asset. Coinciding with the ETF launches, Bitcoin's price experienced a significant increase, reaching its highest level since December 2021. Dollar's resilience amid surprising inflation trends following the release of higher-than-expected U.S. consumer price inflation CPI. Statistics for December: the US dollar weakened against major currencies like the euro and the yen, casting uncertainty on the Federal Reserve's timeline for interest rate reductions. The CPI saw a monthly increase of 0.3%, contributing to a yearly growth rate of 3.4%, surpassing forecasts. While traders had previously considered a potential rate cut in March, the robust CPI report suggests this may be delayed. After reaching a 5-month low, the dollar index saw a slight decline. Concurrently, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of Bitcoin-linked exchange-traded funds ETFs coincided with a surge in Bitcoin's value, reaching highs not seen in 2 years and reflecting a growing institutional interest and positive sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin price prediction: Bitcoin's current pivot point stands at $47,034, a crucial level for traders. Immediate resistance is observed at $47,958, with further hurdles at $49,030 and $49,976. On the support side, $46,605 acts as the first line of defense, followed by stronger levels at $44,337 and $42,642. The Relative Strength Index RSI is presently at 51, suggesting a neutral to slightly bullish sentiment in the market. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA is at $45,339, indicating that the price is currently trading above this level, signifying a short-term bullish trend. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. The chart shows Bitcoin facing a major hurdle around a double top resistance level of around $47,000. Below this level, a bearish sentiment is likely, with potential movement towards the $45,600 mark. This pattern suggests that breaking above $47,000 could shift the trend to bullish, whereas staying below this point may reinforce bearish tendencies. Overall, the trend for Bitcoin appears bearish as long as it stays below the $47,000 mark. If it manages to surpass this level, we might see a shift to a bullish outlook. However, the current setup indicates that traders should brace for potential downward movements, especially if the immediate support levels are breached. Investors and traders should closely monitor these key levels and indicators for further direction in the short-term market movements. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research.